When you connect an Apple CarPlay-compatible iPhone to the vehicle via the front USB port, you can use the audio information screen instead of the iPhone display to make a phone call, listen to music, view maps, and access messages. Note that only iPhone 5 or newer versions running iOS 8.4 or later are compatible with Apple CarPlay. Make sure the vehicle is safely parked with the power set to on or accessory. Using the cable that came with your iPhone, plug it into the USB port labeled with the three-pronged icon at the front of the center console. Select Yes on the confirmation screen. To launch the CarPlay menu screen, press the Connect button on the color touchscreen. Touch the phone icon on the CarPlay screen to access the CarPlay phone functions, access the contact list, or listen to voicemail. Note that when CarPlay is connected, your phone calls and music will be accessed through CarPlay, not Bluetooth hands-free link or Bluetooth audio. Now you can see the same apps that are on your iPhone optimized for use in the car. Select Messages to check or reply to text messages or to have messages read to you. Select Music to access Apple Music. Touch Maps to display Apple Maps, and use the navigation function just as you would on your iPhone. Touch the Honda icon on the CarPlay menu screen to exit out of Apple CarPlay. Give a long press to the talk button on the left side of the steering wheel to activate Siri, the Apple voice control feature. Examples of questions and commands for Siri include, what movies are playing today? Call Dad at work. What song is this? How's the weather tomorrow? Find a table for 4 in Chicago. More information regarding Siri is available at www.apple.com/iOS/Siri, and see your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details.